Example nak volunteer website dia tu kan. How do I spell it? KBS. Okay. So www.kts.net. Oh. Okay.
This Polonet is free, is it?
Yes, no charge, but not many people use because nobody practice the tool over your market. So you can see what keywords you use for people to search your website. And then you know when you do Google search, it's very long time, right? This actually is a summary of all the searches. They just compile it under the one application. That is where the benefit of using this because you don't have time to go through each one individual, so you just use the general information. So, but for this case, they use a lot of US-based system, so maybe you will check domain tu ada, competitor ni ada. So you could be, some comes from here. Okay, so the competitor is based on the keywords that you put in, they just put historically down. That's how it works. And then if you have a demographic too, they don't tell that much. So I pick more prominent site lah, maybe AirAsia, then I'll see a better, you see a better comparison. Okay, so you see AirAsia, they have a lot more. And then they will give you the cost to acquire, CPC, how much currently they are using to acquire customer, and then they will tell, if let's say you buy their premium package, they actually will tell you a lot of information on how much people visit the site, overview, and then which country they come from. So that will be a good benchmark lah. If you are competing against future regional players, then they will use all this. Especially you need to know who is the other party in your region who has a strong brand presence, then you validate. They even tell you what's the promotion, the campaign, how much percentage of the campaign conversion at the moment. Okay, so you know how powerful a simple tool is. You need to, it tells you this ad I put up, how is the response currently at the moment.
Same with Groupon, right? Groupon, when we advertise, they will tell you who's your customers who come and with the races, everything.
Yeah, but Groupon you pay them first.
Oh yeah, of course.
This one you don't pay people first, you just validate one round on yourself. Because Groupon is based on local merchants' transaction to feed them the information, that's why they are real. But for our case is here, we just do some pre-estimation. Normally for local market, you use Facebook tools, demographic, you use Insight. But Insight for competitor, you cannot access. So we use the third-party tool to just find out. Okay, but for branding purpose, what you may want to study is, does this company uses social media more aggressively or the online search more aggressively? So that will tell you that which platform that you will avoid later if let's say they decide to spend huge amount of money, because we don't know. Okay, so there are informations that you can use, and then the keyword also you can not sure what to brainstorm, right? You can pick it from here.
So the keyword here is what people type in to search for AirAsia.
Yes, so like KTS just now I saw is Kuala Terengganu Hospital. Like if I use the same example, like Kuala Terengganu just now, they use these two keywords to search for your hospital. So if you want to be you want to make sure what is the keyword, like on Google again. So do you normally do Google search here? Masa you buat kerja tu? You do like Google validation? Okay, so let's say now you got the keyword just now I put. Okay, what you do is you go here. Gonna be google.com. And then then you put in say keyword, then you see what comes up on your site. So I'm not sure what is this hospital is.
Government hospital.
So of course government is the dominant one lah, because government authority mah when you rank it. Government memang kita nombor satu nya. So your hospital means could be
Two.
so yeah. Okay, but why is it number 2 is because it's name. So most people Google name they will find either just 1 or 2 and not many competitors around the area. Right? Hospital not that many. It's only 2 of them. So if I pick the other one, the Kelana Jaya Medical Center, Kelana Jaya one area has a lot more competitors, right? And you can just check from here. Is it kjmc.com.my?
Yes.
Okay, so KJMC, I know obviously that your brand presence here is a bit low because your ranking shows. But you can also look at these different keywords. Maybe you want to tap into to reach the market size. So that's how we qualify the audience when they build up. Just now able to show you is how people search, right? We just give you where other people, where they also search using on Google as well. So you don't need to think, what is the keyword that you need to optimize and all that. Actually, the keyword is mentioned here. That's how powerful that tool is. It's actually give you the answers that you're not sure of. So you can put maybe Kelana Jaya, Petaling Jaya not so relevant. Maybe people is a bit mass market. So how you prove it is when I type in Google, then I see there's so many sites around here. Not so related to when people search for hospital, right? Then you just don't include that one in. So do you use this currently? Hospital, Petaling Jaya, Kelana Jaya map. And then your optimization, because it's not done, so that's why you got only US, which is the default. So Malaysia should be the ones growing, right? Let's say audience validation. Then your keywords actually US is urologist, Petaling Jaya also. Because maybe your hospital is offering that service, that's why he suggested you this keyword. So the other competitor, then they show now more.
What does it mean?
No, that means the people currently advertising on the Google, other hospitals is doing aggressively in this field. Yeah, that is when you say marketing, right, you need to know the space. Then who aggressively promote themselves on the space? These few parties involved. Yeah.
They promote themselves or by the keyword actually?
I believe they use different keyword, but I can only do that when I key in the domain name and then I start to see what keyword they use. Are they same as this one? Because I'm only using KJMC at the moment. But sometimes you think only one market player in the scene, right? When you Google in, maybe you'll find more. So this tool actually helps you to tell which are the parties who are doing the aggressive promotions as well. That is the meaning of the competitors at the moment. Because the first one is a directory. I think second, 3 and 4 is the hospitals. That KPMG KPG dah masalah tak tahu apa.
Hospital, KPG.
So maybe some hospitals you may want to check later on, do they have a Facebook presence similar to that? Okay, because we will know the competitor based on here. So what you can do, okay, let's say I pick Tropicana. Okay, Tropicana is a premium brand.
But just now, if you put Kelana Jaya Medical Center, you can see, a lot of our names appear in Facebook and also web page.
Yeah. So you may want to validate this after you find them.